Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today, we have a very special shopping episode because we are going to... Tchanan! So I'm going to show you very beautiful bags, eye candies, would be including the price. So if you want to see these and more, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Zoking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking that cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Edgy.
Yung small one is, this is 39.
Same price lang.
Yeah.
Pair siya.
Ganda ba? Chanel.
Actually, mukha kang bag.
Pero the good thing is, it's made of silver. Diba? So, meaning non-tarnish na siya. Kita ba?
Hindi masyado makuha.
This is 69?
68,500.
Is it nice?
Not for me.
Parang the black one looks casual. This looks a little bit more formal. You think?
More edgy. Pero,
This one is more edgy.
hindi yung isa more edgy.
The black one.
Kaya para kakasin ba nun?
What?
Parang mababag.
Why? Is that bad?
Eh, sa kapatid yung mga
It's nice eh. 69. 68. Tapos kapag dalawa sila on one ear.
Yeah.
Right?
Pero parang okay. Ay, hindi, pair na siya.
But it's more expensive than yours. Yours is just 30 eh.
Magkano yung sa'yo?
29 for a pair.
Pero, pair na siya.
Oo, yung pearl. Ayan.
Cute.
Tapos you'll wear it as, yan. Is it?
Yeah.
30, kalimutan ko, 38, 39. Which one do you prefer? This one or the Dior's?
Kala kasi malaki.
Hi guys, so our next shop is we are going to check Versace.
There, how did you love our shopping episode for today? So hopefully you enjoyed that. But don't worry guys, we have more coming soon every Saturday. So make sure you stay tuned all the time. So I would love to hear your thought. Please join the conversation among the selection that I've shown you. Which one is your favorite? Please do comment down below. Alright, so before we end our episode for today, let's do comment of the day. And I would love to say thank you to Just K. Thank you so much, Just K, for this super sweet, fabulous, and kind comment of yours. Thank you so much. Thank you, and welcome to our family. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking the escalator icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our Luxury Addicted fam. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirfy so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me in this shopping episode. I will be leaving a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I will see everyone soon. Bye!